my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with a killer lower abs workout. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. We're gonna start our workout with a little warm up, all right? 5 big breaths. Inhale as your arms come up. Big breath, fill those lungs, and then exhale. Arms come down, very good. 2. 3. 4. 'Last one, make it good. 5. And release, very good. Next, we have some good mornings, all right? 30 seconds on the clock, all right? Wider stance, arms come up, a little back bend, all right? Open up that chest, and then reaching through our legs, all right? Reach for your feet or your knees or your shins, whatever you can. Very good, just making a nice consistent movement. A little bend in the knees, very good. Taking your time warming up. Inhale as you come up, exhale as you come down. And 3, 2, 1, and together, very good. Next we have some high knees, all right? Great warm up for the lower abs because that's exactly what we're using to bring our knee up to us, all right? We're not coming down to our knee. Nice straight spine, all right? Flex foot, knee comes up to you. Using that lower belly, very good. Chin up, nice good posture, long elegant neck. Everything is connected, so posture is very, very important. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it off, very good. First exercise of our workout, we have a kick crunch. Arms out to the side, hand reaches for opposite foot. Your foot is flexed, all right? If it can't reach the foot, that's fine. Go for the shin, go for the knee, go a little bit lower, all right? Just listen to your body. You'll get stronger and more flexible over time. Posture up, so you're coming back up to nice straight position. All right, little crunch as you reach, and then up. Crunch, up. Very good. But the crunch is in your stomach, not your shoulders, not your chest. We're not going like this, and we're not going like that. Boom, nice straight, crunch with the stomach, crunch. Very good, crunch, even if it's down here, crunch. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, very good. Hands behind your ears for some cross crunches. All right, not your head because we don't want to pull on your neck. So behind the ears, elbow goes to opposite knee. Boom, other side. All right, and take your time. Faster does not mean better, all right? Quality over quantity, proper form. Engaging your muscles is so much more important than going faster and doing more. You're gonna work your muscles more and burn more calories if you're doing it properly, not fast. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release, very good. Now, we are going to take it down to the floor, but I will give you modifications, all right? So we're doing a single leg extension drop. So if we don't want to go down to the floor standing, you're going to just come up to a high knee, extend the leg, and then come down. High knee, extend, and then come down. If we're on our floor, we're doing the same thing, laying back, knees bent, feet on the floor. All right, 30 seconds. All right, you're going to extend, and then you're going to drop, all right? Dropping it down low, holding it, and then coming back to that bent, and then the other side, all right? I encourage you to, if you can, come on the floor and do this. I gave the standing exercise for those who can't, but if you can, challenge yourself. You're gonna feel it a lot more in your lower abs laying down here on the floor, all right? And make sure you're pressing your lower back to the floor, right? So we're not arched, we're not like this. You can arch if you're laying down, so boom. Roll your pelvis and tuck in your butt and press your lower back to the floor. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, And there we go. Next, we have some toe taps, all right? So we're going into a tabletop position, and you're going to tap your toes, all right, to the ground. If you're standing up, what I want you to do is the exact same thing, all right? So you're gonna tap and then switch. Tap, do a little bounce, boom. All right, on the floor, tabletop position, let's go. All right, tap and then come up to that tabletop position. All right, your shins and your calves are 90 degrees off the, parallel to the floor. All right, so they're not up here, they're not down here. All right, very good. Your stomach is holding your legs up, and then your lower belly is working when it comes down and back up, all while pressing your lower back to the ground. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and coming down to rest. Very good. Last but certainly not least, we have a leg scoop. All right, this one is fun. So we are going to start here, and we're going to straighten our legs down. So we're gonna scoop, come up, bend, and then straighten. So it looks like a scooping motion, like so. Boom. All right, and the lower you go, the harder it is, and the more it's going to work your lower belly. If you're standing, I want you to kind of do the same thing, but opposite. All right, up and then down. So you're gonna go straight and then bend. A little scooping motion like that. Whoop, whoop. All righty, 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. So scoop, straight, bend. Very good. Making sure that you're keeping your shoulders, your whole back, especially that lower back pressed in like we talked about. If you need your arms out to the side, hands on the floor for stability, go for it. Take your time. This is also great for your hips, pelvis. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Set 1, done. I feel it already. We're not done. Set number 2, getting right into it. Standing up, taking a second, big breath. Set number 2, let's go. Starting with our kick crunch. Let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1. Shake it off, hands behind your ears, cross crunch, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it off. Very good. Down to the floor or standing options. Single leg extension drop. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead and tabletop position for toe tap. Let's go. You got this. Breathe. Check on your lower back. Is it pressing into the floor, pressing into the mat? Nice straight spine. And 3, 2, 1. Feet down. Very good. Ending it with the leg scoop. You got this. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Coming down. Extend. Very good. 2 sets done and dusted. 1 more to go. Up on our feet. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Hands behind your ears. Cross crunch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it off. Very good. Down to the floor or standing options. Single leg extension drop. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Go ahead and tabletop position, the toe taps. Let's go. You got this. Breathe. Check on your lower back. Is it pressing into the floor, pressing into the mat? Nice straight spine. And 3, 2, 1. Feet down. Very good. Ending it with the leg scoop. You got this. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Coming down. Alrighty, 3 sets done and dusted. Great job. We're gonna go ahead and cool down and stretch a little bit. Super important. All right, you can do these first two standing, or go ahead on your knees, sitting down like me. Side stretches, 30 seconds. We're gonna go over, side. Very good. Look towards your other hand. Stay here. A few more seconds. Feel that nice stretch here in your obliques. And switch in 3, 2, 1. Other side. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Coming back to center. Very good. Next we have a cat-cow. All right, you can do this sitting in a chair, standing, or on all fours like me. All right, coming in, concaving in, rounding your back, tucking in your chin, and then doing the opposite, arching and looking all the way up, rolling your shoulders back. And repeat, really exaggerate these movements. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. From here, we're going into a cobra pose. If you are standing, go ahead and just do a little back bend, putting your hands right here above your butt, and doing a little back bend, standing. If not, hands below your shoulders. We're going to extend the legs. All right, coming down and then pushing up. Oh, nice cobra pose to stretch the stomach, to stretch the abs and core. Do not look up, look forward. Press your shoulders down and relax your butt muscles. All right, no clenching. A lot of people clench right here, but you're going to relax your butt muscles, look forward, and press your shoulders down. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, sitting back, little child's pose to reverse. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Warm up, 3 sets of a workout, a little cool down for the lower belly, the lower abs, belly bulge, whatever you want to call it. I hope you loved it. I feel it. All right, so let me know in the comments what move was your favorite so I can use it in more videos. Where are you tuning in from? And hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.